In front of me is HMD XR21 and today I would like to show you how you can apply iOS Launcher. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called LauncherOS from Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, open it. Hit Get Started and choose I agree to terms and conditions. Then choose Continue. Click on Continue again, tap on while using the app and select Allow. Now if you want to apply iPhone wallpaper, just tap on Finish right away. If you don't, click on this check mark and then tap on Finish. Lastly, after closing an ad, just click on Set as Default at the top and tap on Launcher Pro. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!